Hello everyone. Today we will start chapter 1, that is integers. It is there in your textbook, that is NCERT textbook. Now we will go through the introduction part of this chapter. Introduction. For that we should know types of numbers. There are mainly 3 types of numbers. First one is natural numbers, second one is whole numbers, and third one is integers. So first we have to see what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers which are used to count the things. So natural numbers are represented by capital N. It is the set of numbers which are used to count the things. For example, you have many number of chocolates. How you will count that chocolates? You will start from 1, right? So natural numbers starts from number 1 or digit 1 and it continues 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and it will continue up to infinity. So natural numbers are set of numbers starts from 1 and it will continue up to infinity. Next we will see whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are represented by capital W, and these are the set of numbers contains natural numbers. So set of numbers contains natural numbers. Which are those natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. Along with natural numbers, it includes 0. So whole numbers are set of natural numbers as well as 0. It includes 0. And now comes to our main integers. That is, integers are represented by capital Z. So integers are types of numbers or one of the types of numbers. It is represented by capital Z and it includes whole numbers. Which are those whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, continue. It will continue up to infinity. So it includes whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity, as well as it includes negative numbers. That is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on up to infinity. So integers are the one of the types of numbers and it is indicated by capital Z. It includes 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. So positive numbers are known as positive integers. Positive integers, and negative numbers are known as negative integers. So integers includes 0 as well as positive numbers and negative numbers. Positive numbers are known as positive integers, negative numbers are known as negative integers. So now you understood what is integers. Integers are types of numbers. It includes natural numbers, 0 as well as negative numbers. Now which are those non-integers? Non-integers, the numbers which are not integers, that is non-integers. So non-integers are fractions. For example, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is not a integer. 3 by 2 which is fraction. which is not a integer. And root, square root, for example root 2, it is not a integer, it is non-integer. And decimals, for example 0.5, which is decimal, this is also non-integer. So non-integers are fractions and square root as well as decimals. So integers contains these numbers. Now how to represent the integers in a number line? So how to represent the integers in a number line? For that you have to draw one line. We know that how to draw a line, right? This is a line. In that you have to represent. So we are representing integers in a number line. Integers includes 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. So for that we have to represent 0 in the middle. So we are representing 0 in the middle, and right side of the 0 we are representing positive integers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it continues. In the left side of the 0 we are representing -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and it will continue. So representation of integers in a number line is given by this. Now you may ask, represent the given integers in a number line. Represents the given integers in a number line. Which are those integers? For example, -5, 0, 4, -1. So you have to represent these integers in a number line. You may ask, for that you have to draw one number line or lines. So first 0 in the middle and always positive numbers in the right side of the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will continue. In the left side we are taking negative numbers or negative integers, it is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So you have to represent these numbers or these digits in a number line. Which are those? So -5 here and 0 here and 4 here and -1 here. This is how we represent the integers in a number line.